Hello dear students, today we shall be learning general term of an AP. Let A be the first term and D be the common difference. Then the first term of an AP is A1 equal to A. Second term is A2 equal to A plus D, that is first term, plus D is common difference. And A plus D equal to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, because 2 minus 1 is 1, that is 1 into D is D, so it is A plus D. And third term is A3 equal to A2 plus D, that is second term plus common difference, which equal to here A2 equal to A plus D, here A2 equal to A plus D. So here we write A plus D plus D equal to A plus 2D, which equal to D plus D is 2D. So it is A plus 2D, which equal to A plus, we can write 2 as 3 minus 1, A plus 3 minus 1, which is 2, that is A plus 2D. These two are same. A4 equals to A plus A3 plus D, that is third term plus D, which equal to A3, here A3 equal to A plus 2D. So we write A plus 2D in place of A3 plus D equal to A plus 2D plus D is 3D, which equal to A plus 3, we can write 3 as 4 minus 1 into D, because A plus 4 minus 1 is 3D, this one is A plus 3D and this also A plus 3D. So these two expressions are same. So if we observe the pattern, here A4 equal to A plus 4 minus 1 into D, that is A4 is fourth term equals to first term plus 4 minus 1 into D, and A3 equal to A plus 3 minus 1 into D, that is third term equals to A plus 3 minus 1 into D. Similarly, second term equals to A plus 2 minus 1 into D, that is second term equal to A plus first term plus second minus 2 minus 1 into the common difference. So if we follow the pattern, then we can write as An equal to A plus, here A2 equal to A plus 2 minus 1. So An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D, common difference. And so nth term of the AP is An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now let's see an example. Find 8th term of the AP, where the AP is 117, 104, 91, 78 and so on. Here A1 is the first term, which equal to A and A is 117. So A is 117, second term is 104 and D is second term minus first term, that is 104 minus 117, which equal to minus 13, and 8 equal to A plus, observe the formula, An equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So A8 equal to, here n equal to 8, so A8 equal to A plus 8 minus 1 into D, which equal to A plus 8 minus 1 is 7, A plus 70 equal to, here A is 117 plus 7 into D is minus 13, and if we calculate this result, then we get 8 equal to 26, and this is the answer. Let's see another example. The question is minus 150 a term of the AP, where the AP is 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So here first term is 11. So here we write A equal to 11. Common difference D is 8 minus 11, which is 8 minus 11. 8 minus 11 is minus 3. And we know the general term is an equal to, here an equals to a plus n minus 1 into d, a plus n minus 1 into d. So here we write general term, and if let an nth term of the AP is, the question is minus 150 is a term, minus 150 a term. So we suppose that minus 150 is nth term. So we write an equal to minus 150, and the formula n equal to a plus n minus 1 into d, which is n, which equal to minus 150. Now we put the value of a and d. Here a is 11 and d is minus 3 plus n minus 1 into minus 3, d is minus 3, which equal to minus 150, implies that 11 plus into minus minus 3 into n minus 1 equal to minus 150. And if we calculate the result, then the result of n is n equal to 164 by 3. Here n is not an integer, it is a fractional value, it is a fraction. So because minus 164 is not divisible by 3, and hence it is not an integer, and we know that the term of an AP is always integer, because first term, which is 1, first term is 1, second term is 2, third term is 3, so the term is always an integer. But here we get n is an fraction, thus we conclude that hence our assumption is wrong. We at first we suppose that the nth term of the AP is minus 150, but here n equal to fraction, so it cannot be fraction, and hence the question is minus 150 is a term of AP, of this AP, 11, 8, 5, 2, etc., 5, 2 and so on, and hence the answer that minus 150 cannot be term of the AP. Next question. The question is, find n is number of term, that find number of turn in the AP 7, 10, 13 up to 43. So here we have to find n. At first we write an, that is nth term. We let nth term of the AP is 43. So here we write an equal to 43 and write the formula. An is a general term of nth term is nth term of an AP is a formula is a plus n minus 1 into d. At first here we write a is first term, which is 7, and d is common difference, that is 10 minus 7, which is 3, and we put the value of a and d, that is 7 plus n minus 1 into d is 3, which equal to 43, implies that n minus 1 into 3 equal to 43 minus 7 is 36, implies that n minus 1 is 36 by 3 is 12, implies that n equal to 13. So answer is 13, that is find the value of n. So n equal to 13, this is the answer. And let's see last example. Here the question is, 6th and 17th term of an AP are 19 and 41 respectively. Find 40th term. here 6 term in A6 and 17 term means A17. So A6 equals to 6 term is 19. So A6 equals to 19 and 17 term, that is A17 equal to 41, and formula A6 equals to A plus n minus 1, that is 6 minus 1 is 5d, that is A plus 5d equal to 19, and here A17 equal to 41. So A plus 17 minus 1, that is A plus 16d equal to 41, and we solve these two equations. Here A plus 5d equal to 19 and A plus 16d equal to 41, and now A plus 16d equal to 41. Now we subtract. Here subtract these two equations, minus minus and minus, plus a minus a cancel. 5d minus plus 5d minus 16d is minus 11d, and 19 minus 41 is minus 22, implies that minus minus cancel, d equal to 22 by 11 equal to 2, and here the first equation is A plus 5d equal to 19. A plus 5d equal to 19 implies that A equal to, here put, so we substitute the value of d. Here d is 2, so 5d means 5 into 2, which is 10, equals to 19, implies that A equal to 19 minus 10, which is 9. So we get the value d2 and A 9, and we have to find 40th term. So A40 equal to A plus 40 minus 1, that is 39d, equal to, here A is 9 plus 39 into d is 2, equal to 9 plus 78, which equal to 87. So 40th term of the AP is, that is A40 equal to 87, and this is the answer. Hope you can understand about general term of an AP and some problems related to general terms of an AP. Thanks for watching.